Sorry.
Oh, hello, Payal.
Hello, Mary.
Long time no see.
Yes.
What about you?
Fine, Alhamdulillah. And you?
I am also fine. What are you doing now?
I recently completed my SSC examination. Now I am trying to speak English fluently.
That's great.
Do you want to go abroad?
I do. What about you?
Yes, I also want to go abroad.
Why do you want to study abroad?
I want to go abroad because I can get better education, I can learn new things, and also I can get better job opportunities in future.
That's true. We can also improve in English.
Yes, we can also meet new peoples and learn about new cultures.
We can get also better job in opportunity in the future.
That's why I want to study abroad instead of studying only in Bangladesh.
I agree, but studying abroad is expensive.
Yes, we can apply for scholarship and work hard for studying.
That's a great idea. I hope we can study abroad one day.
Yes, let's work hard and make our dream come true.
Thanks for advice. Have a nice day.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.